What up YouTube, it's John B, and this is going to be my first YouTube voiceover, and here I'm going to be doing a high bald fade with a man bun. So here I'm just undoing his man bun and spraying some water on there just so I can see the hair more evenly and get all the straight hair to one side. And here I usually use a number 2 or 3 guard just to give yourself an even base. So here I'm using a number 2. So starting your first guideline, I usually match it up to his eyebrows, right above it or below his box, just to give yourself some room. You gotta kind of use your own eye, just so you don't make any mistakes or go too high. Here I'm using the Allen slim lines. I usually like to go straight with trimmers just to kill time. Here I'm using the Amos shape just to ball out the bottom, so I won't go all the way up to that first guideline, but right below it, just so it's easier for you to transition from bald to the trimmer line. Here what I'm doing is what I like to call like a pre-lineup, because after you're done doing the fade and you put in that lineup, you'll see some imperfections. So this saves you a little bit of time just so you can see like the fade easier. So for this haircut, I'm actually blending downwards. It's a different kind of blend that people like to do. This is definitely a different way. I kind of learned it like after I got fading down. So here I'm starting with a number 2, going all the way up just to give yourself a base, and you're gonna slowly work yourself down. Here I'm just dusting them off. Now I'm gonna snap on a 1.5 guard, open, lever open, and go right below the 2, and then slowly close the clipper and go right below the 1.5 open. Here we're doing the same thing. Snap on the 1 guard, lever open, go right below that 1.5, and slowly close it to number 1, close, go right below that. Here, same thing, half clip, lever open, go right below the 1, and then close it the lower you go, and you'll start to see the fade coming out a little bit, and this is the fun part. Here I have the clipper closed, buffing out that last line, the last bottom line, slowly opening it the higher you go, but try not to go too high into the half or the 1. But there's gonna be some lines that you can't take out with the clipper, so you have to go back in with trimmers, balders, whatever you need to get that bottom line. Here you can see me like scooping out those little that little transition between bald and trimmer line. And you gotta remember to use your corners of your blade, because some people have dips in their head, some people don't, but that's where you gotta play around and use that lever, use different angles, and then you can slowly see the fade coming in, and for me it's fun. So I'm pretty sure y'all have fun too, seeing that line disappear. Like I said, you usually won't get the fade down doing those steps. There will be some imperfections along the way. So here I have to snap back on the half clip and take out that middle line that you see right there that I'm taking out right now. So for the other side, you're just going to repeat the same steps. I do like doing one side at a time, just so I can focus more on just on one side, so I don't have to keep turning the chair, and it's funner to me that way. So here I'm just balding it out, same steps, same exact steps. some water, pull the straight hairs back. And I usually like to brush on the middle down to get those hairs faced one way. And try not to push the lineup back too much, but just enough to get it crispy. So here you can see the haircut's pretty much done. Before I razor and everything, I'm gonna style it for him. Spray some water on there. Here I'm just using some Leg Right original super hold just to hold all the hair together and get all the strays to go towards the center. And this is my boy Brandon. I've been cutting his hair for 3 to 4 years, doing all kind of different haircuts on him. But he's been growing out his hair for over a year, and as you can see, it's pretty long. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to straight razor his line up. Remember to pull the skin away from the direction that you're razoring. So here I usually use my thumb or my middle finger depending on which angle I'm in. Razoring the other side, and this is pretty much a finished product. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll be sure to have more coming. I'm trying to do 1 to 2 videos a week just to have content coming out. Follow me on my Instagram, it's in my bio, and this is the finished product of a high bald fade taper. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm comfortable with constructive criticism, whatever you want me to do. Just let me know what you want to see next, and I'll try my best to come back with more videos.